Hi friends, my name is Milan Dholaria. In this video, I will explain you exercise 2.1. So let's start it with question number 1. So first of all, read this question. Solve the following questions. Solve the following questions. That means we need to find the value of unknowns. Okay, we need to find the value of unknowns. That means in every question it is given some alphabets and we need to find the value of that alphabets. Okay, that means unknown, that means our variable. Okay, so we need to find the value of variable. So our first question is x minus 2 is equals to 7. Okay, now if I want to find the value of variable, then what I need to do, I just want my variable on one side and other constant terms, otherwise numbers, on other sides. Okay, second thing, I want to find the value of x. That means I want to find the value of positive x. Okay, at last I want plus x. So that I try here. First of all, this is a very simple question. Okay, here we have x. Here it is already we have plus x. Okay, so we do not need to change the x. So transfer this minus 2 to the right hand side because we want numbers on other sides. Okay, so transfer this minus 2 to the right hand side. So here x, then equality sign, 7 as it is. If we transfer this minus 2 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 2. Okay, I will explain you these things in US rule. Minus becomes plus. Okay, after that 7 plus 2, it is 9. So x is equals to 9. This is the solution of first question. That means value of variable. Okay, x is equals to 9. Second question, y plus 3 is equals to 10. Here our y is positive, so we do not need to change the position of y. So transfer this plus 3 to the right hand side. Okay, so y as it is. Here we have 10. If we transfer plus 3 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 3. So y is equals to 10 minus 3, 7. Right? This is the answer of second question. Y is equals to 7. Okay, third question. 6 is equals to z plus 2. Here in right hand side, our z is positive. So we do not need to change the position of z. Then transfer this plus 2 to the left hand side. So left hand side we have 6. If we transfer this plus 2 to the left hand side, it becomes minus 2 is equals to our z. Okay, so 6 minus 2, that means 4. Z is equals to 4. This is our answer. Okay, z is equals to 4. This is our final answer. Question number 4. 3 by 7 plus x is equals to 17 by 7. Here in left hand side we have plus x and that we want. So we do not need to change the position of x. So transfer this 3 by 7 to the right hand side. Here left hand side 3 by 7 is positive. Right? If we transfer it to the right hand side, it becomes negative. So x is equals to, here we have 17 by 7, and if we transfer 3 by 7 plus 3 by 7 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 3 by 7. Here we do not need to take the LCM, right? Because we have same denominator. So in denominator 7 as it is, and in numerator 17 by 3. Sorry, 17 minus 3. So 17 minus 3, it is 14, right? 14 divided by 7. So x is equals to 14 by 7. Now we can cut this, means 7 to the 14, right? So x is equals to 2. Okay, x is equals to 2 is our final answer. Then question number 5. 6x is equals to 12. Now 6x, that means 6 multiply x, right? If we transfer this 6 to the right hand side. Here 6 is in multiplication with x, so it goes to the division, right? USA rule, multiplication becomes division. So here 12 as it is, divide by 6. Okay, multiply 6. If it transfer to the right hand side, it goes to the division part. So here 12 by 6, 6 to the 12. So x is equals to 2. Okay, x is equals to 2. Then question number 6. T divided by 5 is equals to 10. Here 5 is, it is in denominator. If we transfer it to the right hand side, it goes to the multiplication, right? So t is equals to, here we have 10, and if we transfer this divide 5 to the right hand side, it becomes multiply 5. That means numerator goes to the denominator and denominator goes to the numerator if we transfer from one side to other side. Okay, here 5 it is in denominator. If we transfer it to the left hand side, sorry, right hand side, it goes to the numerator. That means in multiplication. So 10 5s are 50. So our answer is t is equals to 50. Okay. Then question number 7. 2x by 3 is equals to 18. Right. Now first of all, this divide 3, if we transfer it to the right hand side, it goes to the numerator, right? That means in multiplication. So 18 multiply 3. Then if we transfer this 2 to the right hand side, right now it is in multiplication with x. If we transfer it to the right hand side, it goes to the denominator, right? Then here 2 9s are 18, and finally 9 3s are 27. X is equals to 27. Second thing, from here we can directly send this 2 and 3 both. That means here 3 is, it is in denominator, it goes to the numerator. 2 is in numerator, it goes to the denominator. That means we can do both the step together. Okay, we can write directly the answer 9 3s are 27. Okay, then question number 8. 1.6 is equals to y upon 1.5. So transfer this 1.5 to the left hand side, it goes to the numerator. That means multiplication, right? So 1.6 multiply 1.5. First of all, 16 into 15, it is 240. Here after decimal point 1 digit, here 1 digit, so total 2 digit. That means before 2 digit we need to put this decimal point. So y is equals to 2.40. Okay, y is equals to 2.40. We cannot say it 2.40. We need to read like this, 2.40. Okay, next question number 9. 7x minus 9 is equals to 16. First of all, we need to transfer this minus 9 to the right hand side. Okay, here two things we have, minus 9 and multiply 7. So first of all, we need to transfer addition, otherwise subtraction part to the right hand side. We can also say that first of all we need to transfer constant term to the right hand side. Here 9 is constant term, so first of all transfer this minus 9 to the right hand side. Okay, we cannot directly transfer our 7. That means we cannot write like this. That means transfer this 7 and x minus 9 is equals to 16 by 7. This is wrong. First of all, we need to transfer constant term. Okay, that means numerical terms. Here 9 do not have x, so transfer it to the right hand side. So 7x as it is. Here already 16 we have. If we transfer minus 9 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 9. Okay, so 7x is equals to 16 plus 9, 25. After that, we can transfer our 7 to the right hand side. Here it is in multiplication with x, right? So it goes to the division. So 25 by 7, this is our final answer. Okay, we can convert it into the mixed fraction, but we can write this answers also. Okay, so x is equals to 25 by 7. Then question number 10. 14y minus 8 is equals to 13. So first of all, we need to transfer this numerical term to the right hand side. So 14y is equals to 13, and if we transfer this minus 8 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 8, right? So here 14y is equals to 13 plus 8, 21. Now we can transfer this 14 to the right hand side. Right now it is in multiplication with y. Okay, so if we transfer 14 to the right hand side, it goes to the division. Okay, now here 3 sevens are 21 and 2 sevens are 14. Then 7 7 cut, y is equals to 3 by 2. Okay, if we simplify this, then we need to do simplification. So we get y is equals to 3 by 2. Okay, so this is our answer. Y is equals to 3 by 2. Then question number 11. 17 plus 6p is equals to 9. Here first of all, we need to transfer this 17, that means numerical term, to the right hand side. So 6p is equals to, here we have 9. If we transfer plus 17 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 17. Okay, so 6p is equals to, now plus minus minus, 17 minus 9, 8. Big number sign, it is negative because 17 have negative sign. Now we can transfer our 6 to the right hand side. So p is equals to minus 8 by 6. Right, 6 goes to the division. Now we can simplify this. That means 2 4s are and 2 3s are. 2 2 cut. So 4 by 3. And before that we have minus sign. So minus 4 by 3. This is our answer. Okay, p is equals to minus 4 by 3. Then question number 12. X by 3 plus 1 is equals to 7 by 15. Now here we have term x which contain denominator, right? So total two things we have. First of all, we can transfer this 1 to the right hand side. Then we can take LCM on the right hand side and we can solve it. Okay, let's try it. So first of all, transfer our constant term, that means numerical term, to the right hand side. So x by 3 is equals to, here we have 7 upon 15. If we transfer this plus 1 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 1. Now take LCM here. So 7 as it is, because it's already have a denominator 15, that's why. Then we need to multiply this 15 with this 1. So 15 ones are 15, divide by 15, that means in denominator 15 as it is. Now in numerator, plus minus minus, 15 minus 7, it is 8. Big number sign, it is minus, right? So minus 8. That means we get x by 3 is equals to minus 8 by 15. Okay. Now we can transfer this 3 to the right hand side. Right now it is in division. It is in denominator. So it goes to the numerator. Okay. So we can cut this. 3 5s are 15. So x is equals to minus 8 by 5. Okay. Minus 8 by 5. Second thing, we can take directly LCM here. That means here we have denominator 15, here we have denominator 3. Now LCM of 3 and 15. We can find by this method. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15, then 5 ones are 5. So 15, 5 3s are 15. This is our answer of LCM. 5 3s are 15. Right? So 15 is our LCM. Now, how we can convert this 3 into 15? 3 5s are, right? So same thing we need to multiply with numerator. These things we do not need to write. This is rough work. Okay, so here 5x. Okay, here we do not have any denominator, so we can write 1. Now how we can convert this 1 into 15? So we need to multiply by 15. Same thing we need to do in numerator. So 15 ones are 15. Here already we have 15 as a denominator. So we do not need to do anything. So 7 as it is. Okay. Second thing, if we take LCM on both the side of equality, then we do not need to write the denominator. Right? If we do addition subtraction, then we write a division denominator 15, right? But here in both side denominator we need to write 15, and this 15 can be cut. How? So if we transfer this 15 to the right hand side, it goes to the multiplication, then from here 15 cut. So alternately we can say that if we take LCM on both the side, then we do not need to write the denominator. Okay, here we take LCM in both the side. So our final answer is 5x plus 15 is equals to 7. Now transfer this 15 to the right hand side. In right hand side we already have 7. If we transfer this plus 15 to right hand side, it becomes minus 15. Okay. Then here 5x is equals to, here plus minus minus, 15 minus 7 8, big number sign it is negative. So 5x is equals to minus 8. 5x is equals to minus 8. Now we can transfer this 5 to the right hand side. It goes to the denominator, because in left hand side it is multiply with the x. So if we transfer it to the right hand side, it goes to the denominator. So this is our final answer. X is equals to minus 8 by 5. Okay, x is equals to minus 8 by 5. So here our exercise 2.1 is complete. If you have any doubt, so you can just write down in comment section, and if you have any suggestion, then please write down in comment. Okay, thank you.